What if I told you there's a camera so rare it was made just for the Pope and it could soon be yours? Yes, Pope Francis himself has a personal Leica MA and it's about to go up for auction. This isn't just any camera. It's a one-of-a-kind, fully mechanical masterpiece with custom engravings, a matching Noctilux lens, and a story that blends luxury, history, and charity. In the next few minutes, you'll discover why collectors are already calling it the most coveted camera of the decade, and how this tiny piece of photography history could make a big difference. Let's start with Leica. Founded in Germany, Leica revolutionized photography in 1925 with the world's first commercially successful 35mm film camera. Fast forward nearly a century, and their all-mechanical MA remains a pinnacle of craftsmanship. Now, the Pope Francis MA is truly extraordinary. Unlike standard models, this camera has a silver chrome body with a white covering and hand-painted accents. Its engravings are filled with black, gold, and white paint. On the flash cover, you'll find the Keys of Peter. On the back of the top plate, the papal motto, Miserando atque elegendo. And it doesn't stop there. The accompanying Noctilux M 50mm f/1.2 lens is just as spectacular. Chrome body, gold and white engravings, lens caps featuring the coat of arms of Vatican City, and the exact date Pope Francis received it in 2024. Every detail was designed to honor His Holiness. Technically, this camera is a marvel. The MA offers shutter speeds from 1 to 1/1000th of a second, ISO settings from 6 to 6400, and a manual rapid wind lever. The lens delivers breathtaking bokeh at f1.2 and can focus from 1 meter to infinity. Compact, precise, and entirely mechanical, it's a camera built for art, not just photography. And here's the big reveal. This one-of-a-kind Leica MA will be auctioned at the 47th Leitz Photographica Auction on November 22, 2025 in Vienna. Starting bid, €30,000. All proceeds go to charity, making this not just a collector's dream, but a chance to support meaningful causes. Even if you don't win, you can still own a Leica MA in silver or black. But only this Pope Francis edition carries the history, the story, and the exclusivity of being truly one of a kind. So what would you do if you could hold history in your hands through the lens of a Leica?